Let's see question number 5 of exercise 6.1. Here in this figure, POQ is a line. So POQ here, this is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Okay, so OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Now we have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, so now to prove angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now proof. Now here in this question it is given that OR and PQ are perpendicular. So OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So here we're going to start with that. OR is perpendicular to this line is perpendicular to this PQ. Therefore, now when two lines are perpendicular, the angle formed here is 90 degree, and the angle formed here is also 90 degree. So therefore angle POR is 90 degree, and also angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Both these are 90 degree. Now here, now if we add this two smaller angle, then we will get this big angle. So angle POS plus angle SOR will give us angle POR. So angle POS plus angle SOR, this is equal to angle POR. Okay, POS is this angle and SOR is this angle, so you add these two and then you get this big one. So this is what we have written here. Now angle POS plus angle SOR is equal to, now angle POR is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, so we're going to give it 1. Now next is, look at this angle SOQ. SOQ. Now this angle SOQ is again made up of these two smaller angles, so this angle and this angle. So instead we can say angle SOQ is equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ. So we can write angle SOQ plus angle angle SOQ is equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ. Angle SOQ is equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ is again 90 degree, and this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now let's transpose this angle SOR to the left hand side. So we have here angle SOQ minus angle SOR is equal to 90 degree. Now this SOR has been transposed to the left hand side. Now we're going to give this equation 2. Now from this 2 equation here, this one and this one, this right hand side expression is 90 degree here. The sum of these two angle is 90 degree. Here the difference of these two is 90 degree. But since the right hand side is same, that is equal 90 degree 90 degree, we can say that the left hand side expressions, they are equal. So from 1 and 2 we get angle POS plus angle SOR is equal to angle SOQ minus angle SOR. Now here, to prove is angle ROS is equal to half of this. So in order to get that, now angle SOR, let's transpose this to the left hand side. So minus become this one to the right hand side, then this minus becomes plus, and here angle SOQ, this one is transposed to the right hand side, so plus is now minus angle POS. So angle SOR is twice of angle SOR, and this is angle SOQ minus angle POS. Now dividing both sides by 2, we will get angle SOR is equal to angle SOQ minus angle POS by 2. So now we have here angle SOR is equal to, this is nothing but we can write like this, SOQ minus angle POS. Now here don't get confused, I have written here SOR and here we have ROS. This is the same angle, these two are the same angle, so hence proof. Now in the next question we have question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Throw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw this. Here we have angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. So just a rough figure. Let's suppose that this is 64 degree. This is 64 degree. This is X, Y, Z, and XY is produced to point P. Produce means extending. So we're going to extend this line. So we are extending this XY to P here. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, angle ZYP is this angle. Now we're going to throw a ray YQ here such that it bisects this angle. So such that it divides the angle ZYP into two equal parts. That is what bisects means. this angle and this angle are equal. These two parts are equal parts. So we're going to call this Q. Find angle XYQ. XYQ. We're going to find this angle, and reflex angle QYP, and reflex angle QYP. QYP, this angle is angle QYP, and when we say reflex, it means the backside angle. We have angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Now YQ bisects angle ZYP. This YQ bisects angle ZYP. That means this YQ is dividing this angle into two equal parts, this one and this one. So if this is A, then this will be also A. If the measurement of this angle is A, then the measurement of this angle will be also A. So let's say, since YQ bisects angle ZYP, therefore angle QYP will be equal to angle ZYQ. Angle ZYQ. And if one of them is A, then the other one will be also A. So let's say both of this are equal to A. Now since XP is a straight line, the sum of this angle and this angle and this angle, the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. So since XP is a straight line, angle XYZ plus ZYQ, angle ZYQ plus angle QYP will be equal to 180 degree. This XYZ is 64 degree plus ZYQ, we're taking it as A. Again QYP is again taken as, we're taking it as A. Now this is equal to 180 degree. Now A plus A is 2A, and we transpose this 64 to the right hand side. So 184 minus 64. Now here 2A is equal to 116. So 180 degree minus 64. Now you have a 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And this is 1. So now dividing both sides by 2, we will get 116 degree by 2, which is 58. A is equal to 58 degree. So that means this is 58 degree and this is also 58 degree. So we say that angle ZYQ is 58 degree, also angle QYP is 58 degree. Therefore angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP is equal to 58 degree. Now what we're going to find is this angle XYQ, this angle. So this XYQ is made up of this angle and this angle, that is XYZ and ZYQ. So I'm going to write here angle xyz is equal to angle xyq is equal to angle xyz plus angle zyq. Now this xyz is 64 degree and zyq is 58 degree. Now this is 100, this is 122 degree. So this xyq, we have to find xyq and reflex qyp. So this the first one. So we have got the first one, xyq, and it is 122 degree. Now to find the reflex angle qyp, since we already have qyp, we can easily find out the reflex angle. A reflex angle qyp is equal to 360 degree minus angle qyp. This is 360 degree minus 58 degree. As I have explained earlier in the previous video, supposing we have an angle here, let's say this is 60 degree, and now we want to find out this backside angle, which is the reflex angle. Now we know that if we measure the angle starting from this point back to this point, we will get 360 degree, which is a complete angle. So since we already have 60 degree here, now this remaining portion will be 360 degree minus 60. So if this is say angle ABC, then reflex angle ABC will be equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree. That means angle ABC. So now here, this reflex angle qyp is 360 degree minus angle qyp. So 360 degree minus 58 is 302 degree. So this is our answer.